Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine, and in today's video we are going to talk about the sum function in Microsoft Excel. So basically the sum function allows you to do something really simple, which is doing an addition inside of Microsoft Excel. So how exactly this function works? So let's check it out. So we're gonna select a random cell that we have here, and I will write down the sum function. So as you can see, the sum function contains an infinite amount of parameters, and what it does, it simply calculates the sum of various numbers. So here, for example, I'm writing down sum, I open the parentheses, and I enter the numbers that I want to calculate the sum of. So the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, etc. And if I run it, it's gonna be 28. Right? So what I just did is I calculated the sum of various numbers. Now, I can also do this with cells. So let's say, for example, I have numbers inside of cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So I have a set of numbers right here. So how can I calculate the sum of all those numbers? So I can do it manually, which will be like this. So I select one cell, I make an addition plus this cell, etc. until I calculate the addition of all the cells. Or I can simply use the sum function. In this case, it will look like this. So I'll just write down equal sum, I'll open my parentheses, and I can just select all the cells that contains the numbers, and I can run the function. And as you can see here, I have my answer for the sum of all those numbers. I can also do a partial calculation. So for example, the sum of just this line and then the sum of just this line. So if we try it out, so sum of this column right here and sum of this column right here. As you can see, it's gonna be 77 and 28. 77 plus 28 is 105. So this is how the sum function works. So to summarize, the sum function will simply calculate the sum of pretty much all the numbers that you have selected, well, of all the cells that you have selected, or all the numbers that you write down inside of your sum function. So if you like this video and you like this little tutorial, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.